Welcome to Farmonaut Mining Pro. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from mapping your mining location to submitting your request and receiving your detailed mineral analysis report. To get started, open your browser and go to mining.farmonaut.com. On the home page, you'll find three main options at the bottom of the page: visualize Farmonaut mining data, submit mining location, and earn money. Click on Submit Mining Location option to proceed to the mapping interface. After clicking Submit Mining Location, a new window will open. This is your mapping dashboard. Click the Start Mapping button to fully load the interface. You're now ready to begin marking your mining area. In the following videos, we'll walk through all four methods available to map your location. Use whichever method best suits the data you have on hand. Mapping Method 1, Search by Address. The first and simplest mapping method is searching by address or place name. In the search bar at the top of the map, type the name of your mining location. For example, if your area is in California, simply type California or enter a more specific address if you have one. Once the map navigates to that location, start drawing the boundary of your mining area by clicking on the map. Each click places a new point. Continue clicking around the perimeter to trace the full boundary of your concession area. If you make a mistake, click Remove Last Point to undo the most recent point, or click Clear All Points to start over completely. As you draw, the platform will display the total area of your mapped region in real time. Mapping Method 2, Search by latitude and longitude. If you already know the exact coordinates of your mining area, you can use the latitude and longitude method. First, clear any existing points on the map. Then, in the search bar, type the coordinates separated by a comma, for example, -1.286389, 36.817223, and press Enter. The platform will automatically navigate to that precise location. From there, use the same point-and-click method to trace your mining area boundary, just as you would with the address method. Mapping Method 3, Add points manually. The third method is adding coordinate points manually, ideal when you have a list of coordinates in a spreadsheet or document. Start by clearing any existing points on the map. Then, click the Add Points Manually button. A dialog will appear where you can enter each coordinate pair one at a time. Open your spreadsheet or document with the coordinates. Copy the latitude value and paste it into the latitude field. Copy the longitude value and paste it into the longitude field. Click Add Point. Repeat for each coordinate in your list. Once you've entered all your points and closed the dialog, the platform will automatically render your mapped location on screen, so you can visually confirm the shape of the mining area. Mapping Method 4, Upload a geospatial file. This is perfect if your coordinates are already saved in a supported format. The platform currently supports the following file types: GeoTIFF, GeoJSON, Shapefile, KML, KMZ. Simply drag and drop your file into the designated upload area, and the platform will automatically map the location for you, no manual input required. It is important, regardless of which mapping method you use, you must provide a minimum of 3 coordinate points. This is because the system requires at least one closed polygon to process a location, and a polygon needs at least 3 points. Please ensure you meet this minimum before proceeding. Once you've finished mapping your mining location, click the Submit Request button. After clicking Submit Request, a form will appear. Fill in the following information: your name, email address, phone number. Next, select the target minerals you want the report to assess. You can choose from the drop-down list, for example, gold and silver. If the mineral you need isn't listed, simply type its name in the other field and click Add. It will be included alongside your other selections. Once you've filled in your details and selected your minerals, click Continue. The system will send you a confirmation email. This is important. If you need to resume the process later, you can simply open that email and pick up right where you left off, without having to remap or refill your details. The platform offers 2 report options. Premium Report includes mineral-rich zone identification, depth and quantity assessment, commercial viability analysis, and drilling angle intelligence. Premium Plus Report includes everything in the premium report, plus a 3D map and detailed mineral mapping. Click View Sample Report to preview exactly what's included in each option before making your decision. Once you've selected your report type, click Continue. The payment gateway will appear within a few seconds. Review your details, click the Pay button, and enter your payment information to complete the transaction. Payment can be made by card, bank transfer, or any other method available in your country. Once payment is successfully processed, your request is officially registered with Farmonaut. You'll receive a confirmation email and report within 5 business days. Or longer if your concession area is particularly large, you'll receive your final report and all associated deliverable files. And that's it, you've completed the Farmonaut Mining Pro workflow. If you have any questions, reach out to the Farmonaut team at support@farmonaut.com. Thank you for choosing Farmonaut Mining Pro.